What's good, guys? We're back again for another video. This is a trading revision. I am a bit late on my Thursday and Friday trade video, although it will be coming out probably tomorrow. It's just been very hectic today, very hectic this week. And yeah, I just want to get straight to it. So if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know I'm not going to stop till I get to the top. And it's also a profitable week. So we're going to see what we did right and see what we could improve on as well. So let's get to it. Alright, starting with Monday, it was a bit of a rocky start right now. This is when the first range was actually made. You can clearly see that price, grabbed the liquidity of the bottom, and I kind of didn't register for price to want to push to the upside. At this time, I just thought price was just going to continue pushing to the downside, although what happened here was price was actually in a range. This is the first start of price forming a range. And I took a sell here thinking that price was going to continue going down for the retracement that has been going on for the past few weeks, especially from Donald Trump. Although price, I decided it was going to be in a range, so I got it validated here. Although for this next trade, coming to Tuesday, I took a sell here because price was kind of just ranging over the daily open, and it kind of made like this retracement entry. This one you can say it was less on probability, it was more on the setup. So the setup was kind of looking like a sell, so I took a sell, and from here I did miss a crucial part where I could have taken a buy at this area, which was clearly labeled. Although I was at the shops driving here, and by the time I got here I was late to the push-up that I just made at like 8:05. Hold on. The push-up it made around here. I was also just waiting for price just to get back down here because I missed my initial entry. And from waiting here, price was like just a few pips away from hitting the area where I would have bought in. Although, you can clearly see price continue to push on the way up. The reason why price did push up is because one, it hit the bottom of the range. Another thing is that price did a really good setup because these setups usually continue pushing up. I don't think this one did, although it followed the setup. So yeah, it went to the daily open. I would have had my stop loss here and I would have still been in profits twice, from the downside and from the upside. And it was just lining up really well. It was really clean. And yeah, obviously it just grabbed the bottom of the range. And that's why I thought this was a really good opportunity to take a buy, which I missed out on. So lessons to learn for the past 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, was really just to have more thought into where price is at the moment and take initiative. Because this one here, I could have definitely entered in early, but I didn't because I wanted to wait. I was trying to be patient. Coming to Wednesday, I didn't take no trade. Coming to Thursday, I completely took a trade here. This is what my setup would have given me if I was to follow my setup, although it hit the bottom of the range again, and I just wanted to learn purely off lessons. So I had no set take profit because I thought since it hit the bottom of the range, price is going to go to the top of the range. Although what happened is that as soon as price hit the bottom of the range, this is like the third time price going up and down on the range, so it's kind of getting tired. And I'm sort of making up a story, but price is getting tired of staying in a range and it's becoming more and more predictable. So what happened here is that price followed my exact setup, because from this setup, price doesn't always hit the top just from the range. From this pure setup alone, in any phase, it usually hits the daily open and then pushes the opposite way. And you can clearly see price hit the daily open and hit the opposite way. So this is kind of just a lesson. I did end up with break even this day. The lesson I could have learned is just to stay at take profit and follow my strategy and my setup. This trade right here, price just lined up pretty early as well, and I took another sell here. The only problem here was that here I got a 1 to 5 today, but I could have gotten a 1 to 11. The reason why I say this is because from my strategy, I should have entered out somewhere here. Instead, I entered out here, and the reason why was because price pushed down, came back up, and then on one 5-minute candle, I don't think it was news, but price pushed down really quickly and then retraced all the way back up in one candle and it ended up green. For me, I thought that was one of my B exit strategies. So that's for my reason to take out of a trade. If I was to hold until price did the down, up, down movement, and I can see some fatigue or like some price just weakening, I would have either still been in this trade with my stop loss around here, or I would have been out here. Either way, it's either here or probably just here as well. But yeah, I could have definitely made more money from my last trade on Friday, but Friday was kind of just going really well. It was going with the retracement, it was going with the timing, it was going with the news, it was going with the monthly open price. It was just a beautiful setup today. Saw it and I caught it. I just could have made more. And the lessons I can learn from this week was really just to, on good days and good weeks, go hard, because this I could have made way more, and I could have just made so much more money if I just really believed in my strategy, because there's times, everyone knows there's times when your strategy won't work. And those are the times when you improve the most as well, because you're always trying to figure out why it didn't work and what you could have done not to have taken the trade. Anyway, if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know I'm not going to stop till I get to the top. And let's go.